Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Poppo live crashing the second you tap the icon or does closing itself before it even loads? Here's the fix. First, swipe up and force close the app completely from your recent app list. Now, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and check your free space. Poppo Live needs a solid chunk of free storage just to run smoothly, and it crashes on launch when there isn't enough room. Free up space by offloading a few unused apps if the storage is too tight. If the storage looks fine and if it's still crashing, then press and hold on the Poppo Live app icon. Tap remove app, delete app, then tap delete app to completely uninstall it. Next, go to your app store and then search for Poppo Live. Tap on it and then reinstall it fresh from the App Store again. After reinstalling it, go to the settings app again, go back and go to software update and make sure that your any pending iOS update is installed since crash reports were a major complaint before recent updates specifically improved app stability. So all you've got to do is check storage, delete and reinstall it fresh from App Store, update iOS, Poppo Live opens without crashing, and that's it. Subscribe for more Poppo Live fixes.